Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 4 Rye Street in Seaford. I've got a fantastic updated home on a great size allotment, close to Seaford shops and Seaford High School and just walking distance from the beach. Why don't we go inside and check it all out. So there you have it, what a fantastic home, updated throughout with gorgeous timber floors and freshly painted, and it's just such a convenient location, close to public transport, great facilities at Seaford just around the corner, and it's really going to impress you with the size of land and the great frontage. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate, can't wait to see you at an opening.